Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with King Fletch. Today I'm going to do something simple for y'all. Just going to barbecue some chicken. So let's get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I season that. Throw that out there on the grill and voila, grilled chicken. Let's do this. So first, I'm just going to sprinkle on some of my favorite Lawry's garlic salt. That's garlic powder, salt, and parsley flakes all in one. Next, I'm going to put on some black pepper. Then I'm going to add a very light dusting of Lawry's seasoned salt. Just light. Just go light with that. Then I'm going to put in some roasted garlic and herb. This is a grinder, so you got to spin that. Get that all up on there like that there. I've got some ground cayenne as well. It just adds a little kick to the chicken. Just dust that over it. Again, like I said, that ground cayenne just adds a little kick. A little bit of paprika, just for color. Just for color. Flip these over, repeat that seasoning, and I'm taking it right out there to the heat, baby. Y'all stay tuned. So now that I got the meat seasoned, I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil over all of it to kind of add just like a little layer to get crispy on this chicken. Now I got my fire blazed up pretty good. Just gonna add my chicken right now. So we're getting ready to peek in on my chicken. As you can see, it's reached about 375 inside there. Now, as you can see, my chicken is surrounding the fire. I don't have it directly over the heat, and I got the top closed, so it's kind of cooking more like an oven than it is getting direct contact with the fire. And that's what I want, right? That way, my chicken is not all burnt up looking, and you can still see the beauty in it when it's done. I'm gonna close this back down and let them continue to kind of bake in there. Stay with me. Look at my wings. Yep, just about done.